Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Elle. Today's video is going to be kind of an exciting one. I was not expecting to have this, so I'm actually quite thrilled. I have seen a couple of videos on this, and obviously my sneaky boyfriend noticed, and it arrived in the post the other day, so I'm going to share it with you guys. You probably know by the title already, but this is going to be awkward. We are talking, oh my god, we are talking about this guy today. So this is the Elle magazine beauty advent calendar. To be honest, it kind of looks more like it belongs in springtime, but I don't mind, it looks kind of pretty. So this is one of the beauty advent calendars. This is my first ever beauty advent calendar, so this is going to be pretty interesting. So it comes, oh, this is going to be so awkward. It comes with this sleeve on it, and the sleeve has just got polka dots on it. Not that that really matters because it ends up in the bin anyway. And this is what the box looks like. So it's a really pretty design. It is, where's the thing? It is Elle with Richard Quinn, I think it is. So I don't know if he curated it or if he designed the packaging. But you open it up and, oh my god. You open it up and you get Claim Your Free magazine, so you can get a magazine for free. I will leave the activation code in the description box below for you. And then you get a little magazine sort of thing telling you everything that is in the calendar. I know most of the stuff because, like I say, I've already watched a couple of unboxings, and this looks like a pretty darn good advent calendar, to be honest. So I'm kind of looking forward to opening it. I'm one of these people who can't really contain themselves, so we are just going to open it properly on camera. It's got polka dots in the middle, and it is one of these sort of push door advent calendars. So I'm going to sit it. There is no room! Okay, you can't actually see me opening it, but it is just like a typical advent calendar. First, I will say that this retails for $125, I believe. I'll put it on the screen so that you can see, and it's supposed to have a £300 value. I can't remember. I'll put it all on the screen anyway, and I'll put all of the info in the description box below. So, day number one. Oh, right, okay, so when you open the doors, I'll actually just take it fully off. So when you open the doors like that, it's got a little thing on the inside. So it says, what is important in a dress is the woman wearing it. And that's Yves Saint Laurent. So it's got little sort of, I don't know, nice quotes, I suppose. On day number one, we have a Nars blush, and I think I know what this is already. If I can get it out. So this is a little mini Orgasm Blush from Nars. I don't have this. I've obviously heard all about it. Everybody's in love with this blush. It's just this teeny tiny little compact. It's got a little protector in it, and that is it there. It's got a little mirror and everything, so yeah, that's actually quite nice. So I'm gonna obviously use that. I think it's a nice shade. I'm wearing blush just now, otherwise I would try it, but I'll maybe do a video testing out all the products or all the makeup products that I get in this. I'll do a full face of what I got in here or something like that. Okay, so number two doesn't actually have anything written on the back of the door this time. So in door number two, we've got Antisocial Climber by Nails Inc. London. And, oh, okay, this is a nail polish. It's just a sort of mauvey pink shade. That'll be quite nice. My nails are absolutely jacked just now, so I'm going to have to sort them out at some point. That looks like a full size as well, by the way. Okay, so number three, it says, I Want More Kindness, and it's Hillary Clinton. Oh, that's quite cool. So in this one, we've got the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant, and this looks like a pretty decent size. I have seen this before. I used to use Dermalogica. Basically what this is it's a exfoliator, but it's in powder form. So you basically put it on your face and use water to emulsify it, and it becomes a exfoliating scrub. But it's really, really micro. It's really gentle on the skin. But I'm actually really looking forward to trying that because I do need a good exfoliator. Day four. Okay, so this one on the back of the door, it says, this one is a quote from Diane von Furstenberg. I don't know who that is. You know who's going to give you everything? Yourself. I like these. Okay, so this I picked up on holiday and nearly bought a couple of times. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And I think this is about like £20 worth or something like that. As I'm going along here, I will be putting up the RRPs for all of these products on the screen. So you've probably seen that by now. But everybody says that this stuff smells amazing. And funnily enough, I put it on my hand the other day, which I'm going to do again because I love the smell of it. And it ended up, by the end of the day, the smell was still there. I'd washed my hands and everything, but it smelled like a really nice men's aftershave. I know that's probably not what you want to be smearing all over your body, but like, if you like male scents, like men's aftershaves, then you will love the smell of this. It smells kind of holiday-ish in the jar, but on the skin, on my skin anyway, it's ended up smelling like a man's aftershave, and I just fell in love with it. What are we on? Okay, so number 5. This video is going to be eternity long, I apologise. This one doesn't have anything on the door again, but it's Benefit's Gimme Brow. It's a little bit of a light shade for me. It's shade number 3 that I've got. It's Gimme Brow Plus as well. I think that they slightly changed the formula, but I've been dying to get another one of these. I absolutely love it. It's basically just the perfect brow gel. And I've got quite thin brows, so if you have thin brows like me, the little brush that's on this is literally the perfect size. I actually think that that shade's going to be fine. So I'm delighted with that. And that's full size as well. And obviously I'll put how much it is on the screen. But yeah. So number 6. So this is the Avene Hydrance Riche Cream Hydrate. I take it as a moisturiser. I always feel so stupid when things are in a different language. Okay, so this, it looks like it's for dehydrated, sensitive skin, tightness, roughness, and sensations of discomfort. So it's really good for problematic skin. This, I'm actually quite excited to try. My skin has been playing up like buggery. Number 7. Where's number 7? Well, okay, number 7 looks massive. Okay, there's nothing on the back of this door. So that is obviously full size. This is the Josh Wood Colour Everything Mask. The colour locking, fade slowing, hair glossing, multitasking, deep conditioning treatment for every hair colour. This is going to be awesome. Obviously, as you can, well, you can't really see it right now because it's tied up, but my hair's purple. So it does come out like a cream, but look at how massive this is. It does come out sort of like a cream. It does smell really nice, although I can't tell if that's the Bum Bum cream or if it's that. But basically, this is a hair mask. So it's a multitasking mask that's ultimate insurance policy for your hair colour. Boosts shine and prevents fade with expert hair care complex. Containing quinoa extract, green walnut, and advanced UV filters. Use on freshly coloured hair to lock in colour pigment for longer. Then boost the longevity of your colour by using as deep conditioning treatment once or twice weekly. Okay, so yeah. I'm looking forward to trying that. I have been neglecting my hair. I really do need to get something to look after it. Okay, so door number 8. Okay, this one's slightly smaller. Ooh, it's a Better Than Sex mascara and I can't get it out. I'm actually not going to open that because I have some mascaras on the go just now and I don't really want to open it and dry it out. I have tried this once before. I didn't really like it, so if I still don't like it, I will pass it along to my mum because I know that she had it before. But yeah, that's quite cool. I do like mini mascaras because I do find that they last for ages and they don't tend to dry out because you can use them within a certain amount of time. Number 9. This one's quite a big one. Okay, it's slid out. Yeah. So this is 111 Skin, Harley Street, London, and it's Celestial Black Diamond Eye Mask. So it's one of these under eye masks. I could probably do with that this week. 3 specially created eye masks that are drenched in formula which helps diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, softens the appearance of dark circles, and minimises the sensation of puffiness. I need that. I really need that right now. Delicate eye area is left smoother, hydrated and awakened. So I'll leave that for a pamper day. And it says in the door, the most courageous act is to think for yourself aloud. And it's Coco Chanel. Number 10. So this is Suqqu. Oh God. Suqqu Moisture Hydro Lotion. That's what it looks like. And it sounds like it's a moisturiser, but it's like a liquid moisturiser. I'm going to have to do some investigating on that. There's not an awful lot of English on it. So where's number 11? Number 11's a really tall one. Ooh, okay. Okay, so this one looks like it's a brush. This one is Beauty Pie Eyeshadow Contour. Looks like that. So it's a nice enough brush. I mean, it's not something I could see myself using because I don't know what I would use that for. I mean, obviously it says Pro Contour Eyeshadow Brush, but my eyes are so small that this would engulf my whole eye, so maybe I will pass that one along. But yeah, so we're on day 12. Okay, so 12 are really, these skinny drawers are really hard to open. Drawers, doors. Okay, so this is an Eyeko eyeliner, which is kind of funny. It's the Eyeko Skinny Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm pretty sure I have this one. That's what it looks like there. It's got quite a good tip on it, I suppose. Yeah. So I was just saying that I needed another eyeliner. I wanted one with a brush tip, but that'll do for now. So number 13, I think I know what this one is. Yes! I have been going backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards on ordering this for ages now. I meant to pick it up in Florida last year and totally forgot. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder, and this one is in Dim Light. So I am really, really looking forward to trying this. This is a really nice blurring effect. I'm really looking forward to trying this out properly. I mean, these I think are worth about £22 as well. So it's a really, really good deal that you're getting this in the calendar. This one as well said, power is making things happen without asking for permission, and that was Beyonce. So we are number 14, and this is Percy Reed Hair Shine and Fragrance Mist. I've had some Percy Reed stuff from Birchbox before. It's nice enough stuff. Like I say, it's normally hair care, so I kind of just shove it in a drawer and sometimes I'll bring it out. Number 15. 15 looks, it's a tiny little one. So number 15 is a Bobbi Brown lip colour. Look how teeny and cute this box is. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. It's actually quite a decent amount of product that you get. But it's just, I actually quite like colours like this. I think one of my first lipsticks I ever bought was that kind of shade. So you can go up here with your pals. How cute. Okay, 16 is massive. That's like really deceptive. It's massive because it's a sheet mask. Find out who you are and do it on purpose. Dolly Parton. This is really kind of annoying though because they flip down the way, so you've got to read them upside down. So this is a Sarah Chapman London Skin Assist 3D Moisture Infusion. It's basically a sheet mask, and yeah. Number 17. This is a Dr. Dennis Gross C+Collagen Brightening Firm Vitamin C Serum. So it's a vitamin C serum. It's quite a decent size as well, and basically it is just a serum for your face and neck, and vitamin C is really good for hyperpigmentation and things like that, so I will be adding this into my skincare routine, and if it works I'll probably be really sad because it probably costs a fortune. Number 18. This is the Smashbox, the original photofinish smooth and blur primer. I hope that this will actually work for me, but that's what it looks like. That's the box there. That's what it looks like. It doesn't look like full size. It does. I'm not sure though because I don't have this. It's basically a very clear primer. It does feel a little bit silicone-y, but not too much. It says it's for all skin types. Okay, we will try that. Number 19. This is another exfoliator. It is Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid, and that's beta hydroxy acids, and it's basically salicylic acid. It is a chemical exfoliator. So where the Dermalogica is a physical exfoliator because it's grainy, this one is a chemical one. It's actually sealed just now, so I don't really want to open it. But basically, it's sort of like you apply it like a toner, and it works that way. Let's go on to number 20. Suzanne Kaufman Moisturizing Mask. That's what it looks like. It's a pretty reasonable size. I wouldn't say it's full size. Oh my god, this smells amazing. It smells like something my gran would have. Oh Oh, I really like the smell of that. So that is an intensive moisturising mask. So yeah, it's just a nice little sort of face mask. Number 21 is a fragrance from Calvin Klein. Ooh. Well, isn't that bougie? Actually smells really nice. It's quite... There isn't really much I can say about a fragrance because I'm rubbish at describing them. Is a reasonable size. I don't like the one. I wish I had a spray. I really don't like these ones where you've got to like tip them out because I end up spilling them everywhere. This one says, no matter what happens, I'm glad I came with you. And it's Thelma and Thelma and Louise. It's cute. Number 22. Number 22 is over here. Well, this one says, I never look back, darling. It detracts me from the now. And that's Edna Mode. It's hard to read upside down. Okay, so this looks like it's a little eyeshadow. I like the packaging of it. I like the kind of black and white. That actually looks quite... Okay, there goes a little applicator. And it's just a kind of soft brown shade. A little bit on the powdery side, but a nice shade nonetheless. So in 23 we have Saint-Tropez Gradual Tan Tinted Instant Healthy Glow Everyday Tinted Body Lotion. So it's just a tinted body lotion and I can imagine it'll be quite decent. It's probably sealed just now, but good for the winter time to kind of keep a sort of certain amount of glow if you don't want to go too crazy. Saint-Tropez is really good. And number 24, which I think is the last one. I'm going to have to tear this thing to pieces to make sure I haven't missed anything. But this is Bella Freud Parfum, I don't know how to say that, 1970 candle. I'm pretty sure that everybody goes nuts for these. And this one says, all you need is love, and it's the Beatles, obviously. I'm pretty sure everybody goes crazy over these candles. Like, some people were most excited for that. To be honest, I've never even heard of them. Where have I been? So it's Bella Freud Travel Candle. You know what's better than a scented candle? A mini scented candle that you can take everywhere with you because you love it so much. I would say confidently we have 12 full-size items. This is a full size, it's just a full size of their smaller size, so we might be able to include that. But yeah, that's pretty good for 24 days. That's a pretty good array of full-size items. Anyway, there's not things in here that I'm like, I really won't like that. So I am really excited to try everything in here, and this actually fell out at the end. It is a Beauty Pie. Put down that overpriced mascara and buy yours from Beauty Pie instead. This trial 1 month membership to Beauty Pie gives you access to luxury quality cosmetics and high performance skincare from the world's leading labs at amazing member prices. To activate, please enter the code below at beautypie.com/L. I'm going to go and see what this is all about. If it's something that I'm not going to be interested in, I will put the code in the description box for you, but I don't know actually what Beauty Pie really is, so I'm going to go and have a look at it, but you do get that in there as well. Yeah, I think that's it. I hope this video isn't an eternity long, and I hope that you enjoyed seeing what you could possibly get. So if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you're getting any advent calendars in the comment section below, because this is my first one and it felt kind of like Christmas opening it all. I don't know if I could wait and open one every day, but I have no self-control, so yeah. Obviously don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!